welcome to another day with Aaron. Ay, against the light. Sunduin natin si Justin sa SM kasi later punta kami ng event ng Vice for their new product launch. And I'm so happy na magkasama kami. And then also si Ru. And then marami pa. So I'll see you later pag nandito na si Justin. Mas mura kasi. Kami sa dahil. Pinito masarap.
Pinatikman ko na yun. Ito na lang. Blueberry. It's good to be back, San Cristobal. Sabi mo po, San Cristobal sa jeep. Sige, dalawa po, San Cristobal sa Jan.
40 ang bahay.
Kahit magkano.
House with Madam. Finally here in the bus. We're on our way to MOA right now and we're still on the bus.
Win!
Never here. Grabe pala yung blush ko. We're here at MOA na. Punta na ba tayo MOA stop?
Huh?
MOA stop?
Yung mag-stop.
Hello, we're here at the MOA Sky. And we're looking for the event. Ang init, grabe. Tirik na tirik ang araw.
Ako nga din eh.
Some fresh air, but the ceiling fan is
effective and part of your daily life.
Everyone is more or less ready.
Let us, okay. Because now we have our stickers on, please come forward so that we can talk about the mechanics.
Yes.
So-
Let's count that. Ready? In 3, 2, 1,
Everywhere! Umalis na kami dun sa event and we're here at Earl of Sandwich. We're getting our dinner and then the event is so nakakapagod. I don't know if you can hear me. Hello, and this is my makeup right after almost 8 hours. Still fresh, still look good. A shirt from Sunwear Race. I'm so happy kasi natakbo talaga ako. So, perfect! Unfortunately, hindi ako nanalo. So, it's okay. Dinner time!
Tagal mo. Nag-isip pa.
Hello, it's time for us to go home. Sobrang nakakapagod.